Not sure if you can see my breath, but it's cold enough to mist your breath on the Gold Coast. You coming? And my feet are wet. There's so much dew in the grass. Hate having wet feet. Vicky! Here's Vicky. Let's go get some breakfast. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Wait. Go. Good girl. Cupboard seriously needs some organising. Bunnings to get myself some wood. It's time to sort out this desk. So I wanted to get this one, but it looks like it's too wide. It's gonna have to be this one. So this is what my shelf looks like, and this is the new one. It's time to organize this mess. It's a disaster. I have the screens quite high. I want to bring them down so they're about this height. So I'm just gonna pretty much just get everything off the desk. My mission today, just organize this whole area. That I got this one because it's actually, you know what? I actually think it is pretty close. I could probably put one plant. Oh, I like the shadow of that. And I'm going to keep this pretty minimal. I think this is about as busy as I'm going to let it get, but I will keep this. This is a little picture of me when I was younger. This picture used to be in my nana's house. Now hopefully this has recorded. I'm actually really happy with the desk. Did a bit of work, I've done some emails, got one plant on this side and I want to get another plant on the other side. I think I want to try and find a plant holder so I can put the other vine just a little bit higher. Okay, I went online just before, just to double check when Selling Sunsets was coming out, and it said 6 p.m. I'm just gonna hop on and see. It's just after 5. It's like 5:15, and I am hoping that it... Yeah, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for Selling Sunsets? Are you ready? Oi, oi. No lickies, no lickies, no lickies. Ow. Oh my God, I think we might be buying a van today. I've been wanting to buy a van for so long, and I think today's the day. I've got to get myself ready, have a shower, get dressed, and get ready to go. No, I don't want lickies. No lickies for me, but thank you for loving. Okay, thank you. Breakfast is done. Tell you what, there is nothing better than the Chipotle smoky Tabasco. It just makes every meal amazing. Homemade beans are also pretty damn good. So I've already had my coffee this morning, and I'm just gonna have my liter of apple cider vinegar and the fermented coconut before I make myself a second coffee and sit down at my computer. I've got a whole bunch of bumping and scheduling to do for the event at the end of this week. Just getting in touch with suppliers and just reminding them of how we're gonna roll out Friday night and Saturday morning. So I'm very excited to get that done and out of the way. And then I'm going to be jumping on the train to get the van. On the way to our Tandy, picking up the van. Our Tandy at the moment, just waiting for my Uber. It's a very nice day. Not a cloud in the sky. I don't know why, but I'm so nervous about driving this van home. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm so nervous.